Hello and welcome back, everybody. If your Facebook account has got hacked and you have lost access to your email and phone number, in this video, we are going to show you how to recover your Facebook account step by step. So let's just go with the video. The first thing we can do is we can visit facebook.com/hackbase, go to any of the browser available, and basically go to the search here and type in facebook.com/hacked and hit go. This is the official Facebook page made for compromised account. So you can open up that website right here on your screen. After that, you will be taken to this page right here and it will give you a manual page where you will be finding these options. You can tap on next and follow up the instructions within the page in order to recover your hacked account. So even if your email or phone number is gone, you can enter up your username, name, or your old email to search for your account. So here in this box, you can just go ahead and type in those. You can tap on search by email address instead and type in the email address of your old email for your account. After that, tap on continue. Once your account pops up, you can select it and click this as my account, and there it will ask you to send a code to your email or phone. Let me just go ahead and enter one of my Facebook account, tap on continue, and then you will be provided with the page. But since you do not have an access, you can click on the option called no longer have access to your account at the bottom, and then there you will be prompted to enter your information, upload an ID, your driver's license, password, etc., and even enter friend's name and answer security questions. After that, Facebook may ask you to verify your identity. That can include uploading a government ID. You can just go ahead and enter it up. And after you submit the form, Facebook will send you a recovery link to to a new email address that you provide. That will usually take about few hours to 2 days. You can just go ahead and check your new email inbox for a message from Facebook. And once it is completed, you can just go ahead and log in and get back into your account. And don't forget to lock your account down. And you can even change your password, remove the suspicious devices, turn on two-factor authentication, and add a new email and phone number. And that should help you with the video. And that's how you recover your Facebook account even without access to your email or phone. So if this video helped you, smash that like button, drop a comment if you're stuck, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.